Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about saving money. Saving money is very important. In China, many families save money to help with education, buying a home, or for emergencies. When we save money, we can use it to buy things we need in the future. For example, if you want to buy a new phone, saving a little money each month can help you reach that goal. In China, many people save money to buy a house or pay for their children's school fees. Saving money also helps us in emergencies. For example, if your grandparents get sick or need medical care, having savings helps you pay for the hospital quickly. This can reduce stress about money. In China, many families save money for times like this, especially for helping their parents or grandparents with medical costs. How can we save money in our daily lives? There are many ways to save money. One simple way is to make a budget. A budget is a plan for how to spend your money. For example, if you earn 3,000 yuan each month and spend 2,500 yuan on rent, food, and transport, you can save 500 yuan. A budget helps us see how much we spend and how much we can save. Another way to save money is to spend less. In China, many people love to order food delivery. Instead of ordering food every day, you can cook at home. This small change can help you save a lot of money. For example, if a meal from delivery costs 30 yuan and you order 5 times a week, that's 150 yuan a week. If you cook at home, you might only spend 50 yuan per week, saving 100 yuan. Using public transportation or walking instead of taking taxis is also a great way to save money. For example, if you need to go somewhere nearby, you can ride a shared bike or walk instead of using a taxi. This simple habit can help you save transportation costs. Putting money in a bank is also a smart way to save. In China, many people save money in banks. Banks keep our money safe. Sometimes, the bank gives us extra money for saving, called interest. For example, if you save 1,000 yuan and the interest rate is 2%, after 1 year you will have 1,020 yuan. It is a small amount, but over time it grows. Setting a savings goal is also important. A goal helps us stay focused. For example, if you want to save 2,000 yuan for a new bike, you can save 200 yuan each month. In 10 months, you will have enough money to buy the bike. This way, we have a clear goal to work towards. In China, saving money is very important for the future. It helps us prepare for big things like buying a home, education, or healthcare. It also helps us during unexpected times, like sickness or job loss. By starting small, we can reach our goals and have a better life. What about you? Do you save money? What are your savings goals? That's all for today. Leave a comment and I'll see you next time.